Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Achieving a truly perfect burger begins with the right foundation. You want a good quality ground beef, ideally around an 80-20% lean to fat ratio for the best flavor and juiciness. Remember, less is more when handling the meat. Overworking it makes for a dense patty, and we want tender. A simple seasoning of salt and freshly cracked black pepper is all you need right before it hits the heat. When it's time to form your patties, be gentle, think light hands. Aim for about 3/4 of an inch thick, and a crucial tip is to press a small dimple into the center of each one. This clever trick helps prevent the burger from bulging into a ball while it cooks. Also, remember they will shrink, so make them a little wider than your bun to start. Now for the sizzle. Get your cast iron skillet or grill screaming hot over medium-high heat. Place your patties down and resist the urge to move them around. For a medium-rare burger, you are looking at about 3 to 5 minutes per side. The key here is patience. Only flip your burger once to ensure a beautiful crust forms, sealing in all those fantastic juices. As your burger nears its perfect doneness, it is time for the cheese. Lay your favorite slice on top during the last minute of cooking, letting it melt into a gooey blanket. Once cooked, take your burgers off the heat and let them rest for at least 2 to 3 minutes. This critical step allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. With your rested burger and melted cheese, it is time for the grand assembly. Lightly toast your buns. This adds a wonderful texture and prevents them from getting soggy. Then, layer up your perfectly cooked patty with all your favorite fresh toppings and condiments. There you have it, the truly perfect burger, ready for you to enjoy every single mouth-watering bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.